Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth installment of the ADS-B video series brought to you by SkyVision Xtreme. In this video, we'll be discussing ADS-B coverage as well as the equipment required. First of all, let's address the issue of ADS-B ground station coverage. As of today, June 15, 2011, there are over 250 operational ADS-B ground stations. Each ground station has a range of between 60 and 100 nautical miles at 1,800 feet. At higher altitudes, coverage may be even better. For example, this next map shows a flight that we here at SkyVision took in May 2011. We were flying at about 5,000 feet and were receiving data from 7 ADS-B ground stations, 3 of which were over 200 nautical miles away. In terms of air-to-air communications between ADS-B equipped aircraft, there will be an increasing trend of this between now and 2020. However, by January 1, 2020, any aircraft operating in Class A, B, C, or certain E airspaces will be required to have ADS-B out. As we'll discuss in the next portion of the video, there's really no advantage to you as a pilot to only have ADS-B out, as you won't be able to take advantage of the wealth of information coming in on the ADS-B broadcast signal. One of the major concerns for GA pilots regarding ADS-B is the equipment. How much equipment is required, how much does it cost, and how much does it weigh? First, let's take a look at the equipment itself. The main things required will be a UAT transceiver, which weighs less than 2 pounds and is about 6 inches by 6 inches by 2 inches. The UAT requires a dedicated GPS antenna and a UAT antenna, which is a blade-style transmit and receive antenna optimized for 978 MHz. The last piece is a display that can control the UAT and display the traffic and weather information provided by ADS-B. For this example install, we are using the Extreme Vision display from SkyVision Xtreme. This uses a Bluetooth dongle to connect to the UAT, which allows for fewer wires to be run in the cockpit. Now let's take a look at a typical install. First, a GPS antenna is mounted to the top of your aircraft. This allows the UAT to acquire your location and transmit it on the ADS-B frequency. Next, the UAT antenna is mounted on the bottom of your aircraft. This antenna will transmit information about your aircraft and will also receive information from ADS-B ground stations and other ADS-B equipped aircraft. The UAT is typically placed in the rear of the aircraft in the baggage compartment. Then power is run to the UAT. Finally, the Bluetooth dongle is plugged into the UAT and the ADS-B display is mounted in the cockpit. Here are some example install photos of the Extreme Vision display system. The best part of this system is that it's accurate, affordable, and available now. Many sources have estimated the cost of equipping with ADS-B in the tens of thousands of dollars. However, I'm here to assure you that a system from SkyVision Xtreme costs far less. Check out www.skyvisionxtreme.com to see just how affordable this system really is. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to our channel and also check out our other videos on ADS-B.